I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone OS and that you have at least 1 GB free. This avoids memory-related crashes. Once done, force close FC Mobile from the app switcher and clear the app cache in settings because residual temp files often corrupt sessions. Reboot the device to flush background processes, then launch the game once to see if the crash returns. Doing these first steps isolates whether the issue is temporary or needs deeper action. If the crash persists, update FC Mobile and your store app. Updates often include stability patches. If a recent update introduced crashes, consider rolling back to a known stable APK from a trusted source. Only do this when official update is the culprit and you understand the risks. Next, close heavy background apps, disable battery saver and any screen overlay apps because they can interrupt the game process. These steps target conflicts and resource constraints that commonly cause mid-session crashes. If earlier steps fail, back up your account, uninstall FC Mobile, then reinstall to eliminate corrupted installs. Once reinstalled, sign in and test. If it still crashes, reset app preferences or update the OS because system bugs sometimes break games. Finally, if you still see crashes, capture logs, note device model, OS version, and exact crash behavior, and send that to support. Troubleshooting tip. Try safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app is causing the conflict before deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.